Yo, what's up with it, fam bam? Back at you with another episode. Today we're gonna take a cruise around the coastline of Half Moon Bay with the gang. Go get some good visuals. I appreciate you guys watching. Feel free to leave a comment, let me know what you think. So yeah, we meeting up with the gang right now. Renegade Muscle. We're gonna take this nice little journey through this nice little scenery with the trees, with the coastline. We trying to keep it casual right now. Cause the boys be on us. Renegade Muscle, you see it, man. One thing about California, man, got some beautiful sceneries. Got some little back roads in the cuts that you can just cruise, vibe out to the music, and enjoy some good company. So that's what we doing today. We enjoying some good company of the gang. You see it, Renegade Muscles, man. We try to keep the whips clean. Them is 18s, but you know, I keep them clean though. So we made a little pit stop, grab some good bite to eat. That boy D, he be knowing where all the good spots is. Him and Debbie, they always be throughout the bay, eating everywhere. So they knew it was some little honeycomb hideout on the way to the coastline. So we had to make a quick little stop, you feel me? But now we back on the road. Man, it's something about rolling up some good GLD, some of that California finest, and just hitting the road with a nice sized ball bat and just cruising, man, vibing out, seeing the fam bam. And you know what it is, man. We just cruising, just vibing, man. Renegade style. Just doing some renegade activities on the road, you feel me? That's how we get down. But yeah, we finally pulling up to the spot. One thing I'll warn you about this California living, man, is you gotta watch out for the potholes. Man, the potholes, they can get very expensive out here, man. So to keep your eyes on the road and your head on the swivel, yalla. Man, we finally reaching Half Moon Bay, and you see it. You see the scenery, man. You see the water. It's cold out here today, man, so make sure you bring your coat, but you feel me? We right on the coastline on the beach. Good breeze, good water, good vibes, good music, and good GLD, y'all I'm talking about. That's my boy DJ in that purple Chrysler 300. He got one of the rawest ones out there, I ain't gonna lie. That's my boy D. He got that Scatty Pack red thing on the 4Gs. That's the only man I know with a Mopar on 4Gs. They're big Mopar fans, but you know it's LS on mine.
2 L's. 2 L's. He even had to jump on the second one. I got that pink shit all over my mouth. Y'all got to edit that out.
I appreciate all the fan band for tuning in to the channel and watching the video. Let me know what you think in the comments. For all the new viewers, hit that subscribe button. I got some new content coming for you soon. Yeah.